Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a React.js offline client-side audio and video converter and encoder application directly using FFmpeg WebAssembly. So we are running this project, React project locally. This is actually the full interface which looks something like this. So it directly executes all the processing on the browser. It's an offline application. So this is actually the full directory structure of the project. Each and every component is coded inside TypeScript, so it's fully customizable. You can purchase the source code. The link is given in the description. So these are all the FFmpeg libraries. So it's easy for you to actually add more features on top of this project. So we are using the latest version of React and also using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So let me come to the application right here. So the interface is quite simple. So right here you will drag and drop your video or audio file. So just select the video section if you want to convert your video. So as you select the video, the MP4 video will be selected. Right here you select the target format. So let me convert this MP4 to MKV and press start. So now it will actually first of all download the FFmpeg directly inside your browser and then process your videos frame by frame. So you can just see the progress bar also. It's actually showing this processing of FFmpeg. So once it completes, you will get the notification and you will be able to download your video. And same goes with audio as well. So you select the audio. So here you can select all these formats. So the thing about this application, it directly runs in the browser. There is no backend or server side to this. So it's all happening directly in browser using this library if you don't know. So if you search on Google, simply type FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So this library allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser to build out these video and audio converters. So it can handle audio and video both. So once it completes, you will basically get the notification. And same goes with audio as well. You select your audio file. So you will basically see the progress is 31%. So when it reaches 100%, you will get the notification. So you can do this unlimited number of time because this is actually using FFmpeg. So if you're interested in this project, guys, you can directly purchase it. And if you still face any problem, I will definitely help you. So you'll see we selected the MP3 file, select the target format, and then it will initialize it. So once it completes, you will basically allow it to actually download this. So we can download. So now your WAV file is successfully converted from MP3 to WAV. So automatically once it completes, you will see the notification that your conversion is successfully converted and the output file will get downloaded automatically. So this is an all-in-one. You can see it's completely responsive on mobile devices as well. So it's an all-in-one audio and video converter application in React.js using FFmpeg. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given in the description. So you will be able to modify the source code and get to know that how I coded this. So each and every component, as you see, it's directly coded inside TypeScript. So this is actually the main FFmpeg WebAssembly library, and you can just see right here. And these are the set of commands here to run the project locally. You simply go to command line, simply type the command npm run dev. So this will start the local development server. And if you want to build the project, you simply run the command npm run bit. So it's an all-in-one converter application. For video, you select your video. For audio, you select your audio file. So it's really fast as well. So it doesn't take too much time for actually converting your videos. So it totally depends upon the size of the video file that you're selecting. So if the video is large, then it will take some more time. So now it has completed this. So you will see that the video is successfully converted from MP4 to WebM. So you can see that. So this is the client side video and audio converter in React.js using FFMPEG WebAssembly library. So if you're interested in this,